we often equate these partnerships between fintechs and banks to an actual relationship partnership, people coming together. I get the impression sometimes that it's easy for fintechs to say, yeah, I'd really like to date you and to take you out, but you're needing to go ask your parents. It feels like a lot just to have some of these conversations. I want to see, first of all, where you land on that.
I mean, when we started building out our onboarding process, what were we going to request? When was the timing for each of those requests? You know, because obviously when you're first starting to date, you're not going to share your social security number and introduce them to mom and dad, right? So, you know, at what point did it make sense to introduce each of those pieces of information to give us what we needed on both sides to make a decision? Does this even fit? Do we even like the same things? Do we have the same interests? You know, something as simple as, does the product type fit?
Yeah.
A lot of sponsor banks have an expertise. And so if I'm a credit bank and someone comes to me with a deposit program, that's a deal breaker right out of the gate, right? That's not what we do. So beyond that conversation, where does it make sense?